Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome y'all. How are y'all doing? As y'all could kind of see, I'll show y'all her little hand. This is my granddaughter, Alea Grace, but you know, I can't show her face. So, yeah, what's everybody up to? What are y'all doing? What are y'all still working on? How are y'all families? I hope everybody's doing good and hope y'all are blessed with health and wealth. Yeah. So, this is a whole week. My air conditioner is still broken. My air conditioning unit, my central unit, the port has not come in yet. I'm so annoyed. We do have 2 window units, but it's just not the same. So what I have today is I'm going to do 2 separate videos. So I have 2 unboxings from Diamond Art Club that I've ordered. And, I'm sorry. Hold on. Yeah, I'm sorry. She asked me a question. I'm distracted. I'm gonna open them and show them to y'all, okay? Yeah, let me open it. She wants to help me open it, so y'all give me a second. Okay. We have to do like this. Have to do like that. Maybe left-handed. Take your time because it cuts, okay? Look, just go across the box. Watch it. Let me show you. Just do it like this, like this. There you go. Good job. Oh, let me see. I'm sorry, y'all. Move you in the way. In the camera. Okay, well, y'all seen her face, but it's okay. It's be all right. I'm gonna open it. Here, pull the paper off for me. I'm sorry, y'all. I just have to let my assistant help. Here you go, baby. Throw it down. All right. You don't have to get in the camera, but you want to tell them your name? Tell them your name. What's your name?
Alea.
Alea what?
Grace Clayton.
Grace Clayton. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Oh, Lord, before I open it, I always do this. I'm not very good at this. Okay. We have a round Diamond Art Club diamond painting, and it's Windy by Hannah Lynn. So, I think Maritza didn't get this one. I think she got another one, or is it this one? Anyway, I know a bunch of people got these, and I got it now as well. And her name is Winnie, and this might not be, this is a newer one. Okay, I'm so lost. 17 by 24 inches, and it's 42 by 60 centimeter, and she is a round diamond painting. The drills are round, and you could tell by the circle, and it's pink. So it's a round drill diamond painting. I'm so off, y'all. It's because it's hot. I'm always off, though. Okay, now we're going to open the box. Diamond Art Club has really good canvases.
Could I do it?
Love it. And I love their service. Their service is excellent. Y'all should know. Y'all know that. Yes, you may open the toolkit. While Alea is opening the toolkit, I'm going to show y'all the sticker. This is the sticker, and this is Wendy by Hannah Lynn. And she's so cute. Well, the picture is so cute. And I'm going to pull out the canvas while Alea does. Toolbox. It's okay. Okay, so, yeah. We have a boat. You can show them. And some baggies.
Wait, there's 2. Watch. Okay.
And, let me see. Diamond painting pen and squishy, and it's yellow, and the squishy is for comfort. And I never can put them on because I always tear them. This is a single placer. And we have wax. And we have washi tape. That washi tape is so cute. Some stripes. We have a cover minder. Another macaroon. I have so many macaroons. I need something different, y'all.
Okay. Now we could. Now the wax station.
Okay, I don't need the wax, baby, because we're not doing the painting. And no, you have to have the plastic. Oh, okay. All right. That's that toolkit. Wait, hold on, we lost a piece. Nope, there it is. Okay, so we have a 4-placer and a 7-placer. It also comes with a 4-placer and a 7-placer. I apologize, y'all. I'm not used to having a little assistant. 4-placer, 7-placer. I'll keep these and the washi tape and this. Keep them all together. And now we're gonna open the canvas.
Can I do the diamond painting?
No, Mimi's gonna do that one, okay? All right.
No, we're gonna open it up.
We're gonna open it up. That's correct. Like I said, this is a round drill diamond painting, and it is Diamond Art Club, and in every Diamond Art Club's kit comes a pamphlet. In the pamphlet, it gives you a thank you note. It tells you, explains to you how to do the diamond painting, and it also it's instructions. And you can scan the QR code for their information, and then on the back it has the percentages off. And if you scan that and you have an app, it'll give you 20% off. This is the big sticker. And like I said, it's by Hannah Lynn. And look how pretty she is. And her name is Wendy. It has a start date and an end date. Look how pretty those colors are. It also has 45 colors. That's not too bad in this diamond painting. That's awesome, actually. 45 colors. And I'm gonna show you the painting. Actually, this is cool because it's not so big to where it take you forever to do it, and I love it. I might hit her up too. And this is her. This is Winnie, and like I said, she has 45 colors. They have the legend on the left top and bottom right. Excuse me. And I'm gonna show y'all a far picture first, and then I'm gonna bring y'all down and show y'all the she is gorgeous. She's so pretty. I really might kit her up. She's gorgeous. I do have the mermaid, and I'm trying to finish Coral Castle. I have the kit up problem because they all pretty. So this is the drill field. As y'all can see, the drill field is clear. Love it, love it, love it. She's gorgeous. I love her. Hannah Lynn is a great artist. She always does an amazing job at her artwork is amazing. Diamond Art Club's canvases lay very flat. They are scalloped and poked, so they do not come undone. Their Facebook and Instagram information's at the bottom. Also, you have a low code to take some never pay full price. You always get a discount. This is their warranty. They have a lifetime warranty on their canvases, and I'm gonna tell y'all from experience, this is the thumbnail. From experience, their customer service is outstanding. Hands down. Don't mess up the box, baby. Their customer service is amazing because y'all know the story. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know the story. So I love Diamond Art Club. they're amazing, and amazing people, and their canvases are amazing. Absolutely. Their rendering is awesome. Now, don't get me wrong. I like all diamond painting related canvases and diamond painted. I like all diamond paintings and anything diamond painting related, okay? But Diamond Art Club really has good customer service, and their canvases are amazing. You know, they do have others I like as well. So this painting, I'm gonna show y'all again, but I want to tell y'all it has 1, 2, 3 ABs, and yeah, it has 3 ABs: a red, a blue, and a white. So this should be interesting. So I'm going to show y'all up close. And it says, "Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club" at the top. Y'all, I know I'm all over the place, but I'm not used to having a little one next to me doing this, okay? As y'all can tell. Let me show y'all. She's so pretty. I love her colors. Her colors are amazing. Look her hair. Her hair strands, they're so pretty. And this is her. I love this. Is it a flower? It's a flower, yes. I love the flower in her hair. So now we're gonna go through the drills. And I'm gonna open them. It's gonna be kind of loud. Hold on, y'all. It's gonna be kind of loud for a sec. I'm not gonna take them all out, but I'll take them out like as a pack. I'm not gonna undo them. So these are the colors. And y'all could see the blue ABs right here. See, they have blue, red, and white. So the blue ABs here. See the sparkle? AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a special coating they put on the drills. It's kind of like, yeah, it just makes them shine and stuff. More different colors. Like the Aurora colors. They got lots of purples, blues, blacks, because Hannah Lynn always outlines her diamond paintings in black. So they usually always have a lot of black, of course. Look, all the black. But it makes it stand out a lot. So let me try to show y'all more of the colors. They have hot pinks, greens, so many colors. Love them. So those are these are round drills, and those are the colors. And those, oh, I can't wait. Like, those are pretty colors. The colors are awesome. And of course, their diamonds always shine. I never usually have a lot of trash drills, but sometimes they do have some. But it's never much to worry about. So yeah, and here's another look at the piano layer. Put the squishy on. Thank you. So that's gonna do it for this video. Say thank y'all to my assistant. Thank you, Grace. And I really appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget, y'all, I have a live coming up on Sunday, June 18th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're not busy, pop in and say hey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to, and give me a thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.